Hello everyone! Today I have a handheld vacuum cleaner. It's a perfect purchase for using it in your car, in your office, in some small places, or just using it at home. It's a perfect for cleaning some spaces, some pet stuff. It has a different variation of nozzles. Also, it has a good opportunity to charge it anyway in your car by power bank or someone else. It's lightweight, it's compact, it has a long using of this vacuum. I think it's a good purchase as a gift for your friends and family, and I highly recommend this. You will like it.